welcome back. So it was another hot one as we made our way through the day today with lots of smoke out there. We did keep mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies and got up to 94 degrees in Scottsbluff. Near that level at the Harrisburg area, 93 at Torrington, 89 at Kimball, and the cool spot was Gordon at 80 degrees. Here's a look at the current temperatures across the region. So we have stayed pretty humid out there, and that humid air doesn't cool down as quick as the air we're used to, the really dry air in this climate. So we're staying into the upper 70s at Scottsbluff, Torrington, Bridgeport, still 80 at Harrisburg, 75 at Kimball and at Sydney, and 74 at Alliance and at Oshkosh. There's your wind, mainly from a south-southeasterly direction, keeping us warm and very humid with winds around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Now, as for the severe weather outlook, so we are watching some storms just across the border in South Dakota. They're moving into our viewing area. They're probably going to skirt our farthest north and eastern counties before moving out of the viewing area. So there is a slight risk of severe weather as we make our way through the overnight. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. It basically goes until, I believe, 1 a.m. Mountain Time. Basically, it is in effect in our viewing area for Sheridan and down toward Garden County, and then points off to the east. It was in effect for the entire northern panhandle, but it looks like the Storm Prediction Center has taken this part out of it. So severe thunderstorm watch until 1 a.m. Here's a look at the satellite loop. Now, we had one band of storms make its way through. We are relatively dry right now, especially in the Scottsbluff area, points off to the west. We're tracking one storm that is now moving into portions of Sheridan County, and this one has a severe thunderstorm warning, could clip Gordon. Nothing issued as of yet. We'll check back on that a little later on and see if they do issue that warning. But watch out in the Gordon area for a strong to possibly severe storm over the next half hour. Now, we kept the really strong southerly wind. A low is to our north, and then we're going to get the cold front from it. So every once in a while, we will have the possibility of some scattered strong to severe storms. It looks like after that storm makes its way through the Gordon area, we should be calm for the rest of the evening. Partly cloudy skies. Now, we will make it back up into the low to mid-90s for tomorrow. We do have very isolated activity possible. Most of us will stay dry, and then we'll do it all again for Wednesday. Partly cloudy with temperatures starting off in the mid-60s and highs with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Just a little cooler for midweek, as we'll be into the mid-80s for high temperatures for your Wednesday. Let's take a look at the forecast map. So as is typical, we're getting later on in the summer. The lows are going into the northern plains. That's not good for portions of North Dakota and Minnesota, but for us, we're just going to get the cold fronts from these systems. That will spark off some showers and thunderstorms, and then we'll be done with the moisture. And then high pressure works its way in as we make our way through the weekend. So an active weather pattern coming up. We could have some very isolated storms through mid to late week, and then we'll have a nice sunny weekend ahead. So as for the rest of the week, so we're going to keep our eyes on that smoke, mainly from Scottsbluff and points off to the east, still coming down from Canada, settling into the Midwest and into the deep south. Nice conditions off to our north and off to our east. We're going to be on the borderline of the hot air, which is still off to our south and west, but most of the moisture once again across the country into the, say, mid-Atlantic, Midwest, and into the Northeast. Let's take a look at that extended forecast. At 95 tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, and 87 on Wednesday, partly cloudy. Just very minor chances of some showers and storms for Tuesday and Wednesday, but for Thursday, showers and storms likely, and that'll cool us down to 74, and then up to 84 on Friday, partly cloudy, still a chance of some storms, but there's your weekend. Sunny Saturday, mostly sunny on Sunday with highs in the low to mid-90s, and mid-90s for the day on Monday with partly cloudy skies. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. Millions across the country continue to deal